Our band leads the ceremonial entry of our honored chief guest of the day, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, PCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Ludhiana, accompanied by our worthy school director, Reverend Father Sebastian. So here we have our worthy chief guest of the day, Mr. Rakesh Kumar.
We ask for thunderous applause for him and a standing ovation, dear audience.
A very splendid evening to one and all on this illustrious day, the 22nd of November 2025, Sacred Heart Convent School, Sector 39, awakens to yet another chapter of brilliance. An evening where youthful imagination transcends boundaries, where innate talents are unveiled with pride, and where collective accomplishments shimmer with glory. It gives us immense delight to welcome you to the grand celebration of our annual day. Saurabh, the fragrance of talent.
We are deeply privileged to be in the august presence of our chief guest, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, PCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner General, Ludhiana. We are waiting for our guest of honor for the day, Reverend Father Thomas Colin Cherry, Chairman, Diocesan Board of Education, and our special invitees, Reverend Father Robbie Colin Cherry, Dean, Sanewal Deanery, Engineer Kamal Joria, Executive Engineer O&M MC Ludhiana, Mr. Anil Bhardwaj, Councillor MC Ludhiana, Sardar Jagdev Singh Hans, Chief Engineer, Electricity Board Ludhiana, Sardar Surjit Singh, Deputy Chief Engineer, Electricity Board Ludhiana, who grace this evening with their benevolent presence. Your arrival has truly elevated the dignity and splendor of this celebration. We extend to each one of you our warmest and most respectful welcome. Here I accord a cordial welcome to Mr. Ravneet Singh Lamba, Manager, Federal Bank Limited.
There is a beautiful saying, a noble presence does not merely fill a space, but it enriches it. And this evening stands enriched because of every esteemed guest seated before us.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's celebration is not merely an event. It's a symphony of dreams, a showcase of perseverance, and a tribute to excellence. It's a moment when creativity blooms, confidence takes center stage, and the aspirations of our students rise like a melodious crescendo.
So without further delay, let us immerse ourselves in this spectacular journey of art, culture, expression, and inspiration.
Welcome to an evening that promises wonder, pride, and delight. Let the celebration commence.
Our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, today we gather here to unveil Saurabh, the fragrance of talent, a picturesque presentation of human talent that pervades our life, spreading its sweet fragrance all around us. Fragrance is the unseen essence that uplifts minds, enriches hearts, and inspires a higher purpose in life. It showcases the worth of any substance. Human worth is felt and appreciated in every person, when it permeates around in the display of one's talents as sweet fragrance.
Gracious luminaries and well-wishers, we now personify the various elements by which the fragrance of talent is diffused around us into a radiant galaxy.
First comes the aroma of character. Character is the foundation of every talent, and it spreads its fragrance of one's true essence. It is the gentle, pervasive aroma of integrity, kindness, and positivity that subtly transforms every space and influences everyone around us.
Its next foundation is education. Like any dedicated institution, refines thoughts and nurtures potential of its members. An educational institution evokes the talent of every inmate and spreads its fragrance of knowledge, discipline, and integral growth by imparting a holistic education.
Its third source is radiance of light. Light dispels darkness and shows the way forward. It illuminates every path of growth and discovery of one's talent. A single candle can light countless others without ever losing its own glow, kindling and ushering a bright path to all.
The fourth element, eternal essence of faith, lies in religion. Religion teaches us and helps us to develop our talent of love, service, ethics, duty, and spiritual peace. True religion spreads its fragrance of universal brotherhood and peaceful coexistence with everyone and everything found under the canopy of the blue sky in the lap of the Mother Nature. Such fragrance transcends generations after generations.
Together we celebrate our aroma of talent as it pervades the universe. To this august gathering, we present Saurabh, a philosophy that recognizes a child's brilliance must be rooted not just in intellect but in the enduring values upheld by the great traditions of the world. It is an assurance that the education imparted here nurtures every learner's talent with integrity, wisdom, and inner peace. We proudly showcase Saurabh, the fragrance of talent, the living, breathing, and everlasting fragrance of talent.
Dear audience, a thunderous applause as we are soaring up the fragrance of talent.
As we commence the celebration, let us invoke the blessings of the Almighty, the fount of wisdom and life. Every auspicious occasion begins with reverent invocation. Lighting the lamp epitomizes the journey from the gloom of ignorance to the brilliance of enlightenment, dispelling despair.
We now humbly request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, PCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner General Ludhiana, accompanied by Reverend Father Sebastian Palasheri, our Director, Principal Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, our special invitee, Reverend Father Robbie Colin Cherry, to please come forward for the time-honored ceremony of lighting the lamp. May this flame symbolize our shared vision and aspirations, illuminating our path toward a promising future.
हम हैं ज़मीं और तू आसमान। दे रहे हैं सदा हम उठा के हाथ, दिल से आ रही एक आवाज। दे रहे हैं सदा हम उठा के हाथ, दिल से आ रही एक आवाज। जीवन ज्योति को जलाएंगे, जीवन ज्योति को जलाएंगे, तेरे ही सामने है प्रभु महान।
May this hallowed flame ignite the spark of wisdom within us and illuminate the trajectory for all. We extend our deepest gratitude to the respected dignitaries for gracing this ceremony and setting a radiant precedent.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we begin today's celebration with the prayer dance, this performance embodies devotion, peace, and harmony. Every movement and gesture is a reflection of gratitude and reverence, reminding us of our values that guide our lives. Indeed, through graceful steps and expressive gestures, the performers convey a sense of unity, spirituality, and togetherness. Let us welcome the performers as they fill the stage with serenity and devotion, presenting prayer dance.
ये अखंड ज्योति है, हम सभी इसी अखंड ज्योति से उत्पन्न हुए हैं। इसी को हम ईश्वर, परमेश्वर और आत्मा परमात्मा कहते हैं। हमारे गुनाहों को ईश्वर क्षमा करता है और समय आने पर हम सबको अपनी ज्योति में समाकर अपनी शरण में ले लेता है। ईश्वर हिंदू, मुसलमान, सिख, ईसाई सबको एक समान प्रेम करता है। ईश्वर के रूप अनेक हैं, परंतु है एक ही ज्योति। सभी धर्म इसी अखंड ज्योति में ही समाये हैं। मैं समय हूं, मेरी धारा कभी रुकती नहीं। मैं चलता ही रहता हूं और मेरी धारा के साथ साथ धरती पर भी परिवर्तन होता ही रहता है। अनंत काल से धरती तक सुनो सुनाने आए हैं नट और नटनी कि किस प्रकार ईश्वर ने इस सुंदर धरती की रचना की।
सच्चे करते हैं वंदन तुम्हारा।
स्वागतम स्वागतम स्वागतम
अभिनंदन तुम्हारा। आपके आने से महक उठा आंगन सारा, मिली है खुशियाँ और प्यार भी नाचे मन सारा। धूम तना ना 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 तना धूम तना ना 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 तना ना धूम तना ना 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 तना ना धूम तना ना 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 तना ना 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 ना।
स्वागतम
Mr. Rakesh Kumar, PCS, the Additional Deputy Commissioner General, Ludhiana. Distinguished guest of honor, Reverend Father Thomas Kolencheri, Chairman of the Diocesan Board of Education. Our special invitees, praiseworthy dignitaries, Reverend Fathers, Reverend Sisters, principals of esteemed institutions, respected parents and well-wishers.
We feel privileged to stand before you on behalf of Sacred Heart Convent School, Sector 39, Ludhiana, to extend a warm and gracious welcome to this splendid and spectacular celebration of our annual day. Saurabh, the fragrance of talent by our little luminaries. Your presence is a powerful catalyst for our motivation and achievement.
We are genuinely delighted to welcome our esteemed chief guest, a deserving personality exactly relatable to the theme. Saurabh, the fragrance of talent. Mr. Rakesh Kumar, PCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner General, Ludhiana.
Dear sir, we feel highly elated to have you in our midst today. On behalf of the management, the staff and the entire Sacred Heart family, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you.
May I request our greeting team to present a bouquet to our chief guest.
I request Madam Akansha to introduce our worthy chief guest to you all.
Leadership is not merely a position. It is the ability to ignite vision, cultivate purpose, and inspire excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to present the distinguished profile of an officer whose journey reflects intellect and an unwavering commitment to public service. Mr. Rakesh Kumar, PCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Ludhiana. Mr. Rakesh Kumar began his academic journey at Government High School, Pakho Kala Tehsil, Barnala, where the foundation of his disciplined and purpose-driven personality was laid. He then pursued pre-engineering at MM Modi College, Patiala, followed by a Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics from prestigious Guru Nanak Engineering College, Ludhiana. Sir has also served with distinction as Joint Secretary in several key departments in Chandigarh as well as Sub-Divisional Magistrate at Mansa. Dear Sir, your journey harmoniously intertwines faith, character, light and education.
To do the honors, I request Father Sebastian to step forward, accompanied by our chief guest and principal, Reverend Sister Crispin Maria. Please step forward as we accord you a cordial floral welcome. Dear audience, a thunderous applause for our chief guest. Thank you, dignitaries.
We are highly honored to have our midst Reverend Father Thomas Kolencheri, Chairman of Diocesan Board of Education, Diocese of Jalandhar, as today's guest of honor. Father, your gracious presence adds grace and distinction to this evening. We are indeed honored by your gratifying presence. We extend a cordial welcome to you, Reverend Father Thomas Kolencheri.
May I request our greeting team to present a bouquet to our guest of honor.
I request Madam Bhuvneshwari to brief biodata of the guest of honor, Reverend Father Thomas Kolencheri.
First, to do the honors, I request our director, Reverend Father Sebastian, and principal, accompanied by our worthy guest of honor for the day, to step forward for the floral welcome. Dear Father, it is our privilege to welcome you. Under your guidance, 73 diocesan institutions continue to grow with purpose and excellence. Father's academic journey is as impressive as it is inspiring. He holds rich qualifications in diverse disciplines: English literature, political science, sociology, education, philosophy, and theology. His scholarly formation includes bachelor's and master's degrees across these fields, a professional degree in education, a postgraduate diploma in science and technology, and he is currently advancing his research through a PhD in education. This broad intellectual foundation has shaped him into a leader of rare depth and clarity. With over 2 decades of experience as a teacher, seminary rector, and school director across various centers, Father has significantly shaped both academic and pastoral life in the diocese. He has served as principal, magazine editor, ICSE examiner, professor at Trinity College, and has conducted numerous seminars for educators and students across Punjab. Dear Father, we are honored to welcome you. Reverend Father Thomas Colin Cherry, a scholar, educator, and pastor whose steady leadership continues to uplift every institution entrusted to his care.
It is with great respect and appreciation that we welcome our special invitees, Reverend Father Robbie Kolenchuri, Dean Sanewal Deanery, Mr. Anil Bhardwaj, Councillor MC Ludhiana, and Mr. Avneet Singh Lamba, Manager Federal Bank. Your presence today adds immeasurable value to this event, and we are deeply grateful to have you with us. May I now request our greeting team to present a bouquet to our special invitees. May I request Reverend Father Robbie Kolenchuri to step forward as we accord a floral welcome to you, Father, accompanied by our praiseworthy director and respected principal.
Reverend Father Robbie Kolenchuri, Dean Sanewal Deanery, with his visionary leadership and deep commitment to quality education, he has played a vital role in shaping educational policies and initiatives that benefit students.
May I request Mr. Anil Bhardwaj to step forward as we honor you with a floral offering.
To do the honors, I request our director and principal to step forward.
We are truly honored to have you here, sir. Mr. Anil Bhardwaj is presently working as elected councillor in Ward 18, Ludhiana, and executive member in BJP District, Ludhiana. Sir is dedicated councillor and social worker committed to the welfare of underprivileged children by supporting their education and providing opportunities for a better future.
Now I request Mr. Avneet Singh Lamba to step forward as we present our floral courtesies.
To do the honors once again, I will trouble our director and principal.
Mr. Ravneet Singh Lamba is Senior Manager and Branch Head, Branch Ludhiana, working with the Federal Bank Limited for past 12 years. Sir, we are pleased to have you with us. Your presence truly honored this occasion. And still, sir is working for the education of the children and benefit for many institutions. Thank you, sir.
For the floral welcome of Engineer Kamal Joria, I request our principal and director to be there, and I request sir to please step forward.
Mr. Kamal Joria, Executive Engineer, O&M, Municipal Corporation. Sir has served for 32 years as Junior Engineer, SDO, and now is serving as Executive Engineer, XN, O&M, MC, Ludhiana. Thank you, sir.
Your arrival has truly elevated the dignity and splendor of this celebration. We extend to each one of you our warmest and most respectful welcome.
Here, our salutation goes to all the distinguished guests, media correspondents, respected directors, principals of various institutions, reverend fathers and sisters who have joined us today from far and near. Your distinguished presence provides a profound sense of encouragement and endorsement, and we are truly privileged to share this magnificent occasion with you.
A cordial welcome to all our esteemed parents. You are the bedrock of our success and the constant source of our strength. Your unwavering belief in our potential fuels our growth and inspires every achievement. Hearty welcome, dear parents.
Ladies and gentlemen, the stage is entirely yielded to the talent of our budding performers from pre-primary and primary, the rising stars of Sacred Heart Convent School.
Watch closely, for in these young artists we see not just the performers of today, but the brilliant achievers and accomplishers of tomorrow.
Creativity and perfected to the hard work of our young performers and the artistic mentors. We ask that you lend them your most enthusiastic support with your applause.
Heartiest welcome from the core of our hearts. Wishing you an evening of abundant cheer and dazzling experience. It's getting hot on a stage. I feel it may rain soon. Yeah, exactly. Listen to the tap tap of the rain. And dance with clouds under the gentle bluff of rain. Keep audience, smile wide and enjoy this lovely performance. Nare, 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 nanna, nare, 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 nannare, 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 nannare. बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है मीठा है कोसा है बारिश का बोसा है कोसा है कोसा है बारिशों का बोसा है जल 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 थल जल थल जल 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 बहता जल नन्नारे 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 बरसो रे बरसो रे मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो गिली 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 हाँ हा 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 गिली गिली माटी के चल घरौंदे बनाएंगे रे हरी भरी अम्बी अम्बी की डाली
Beta, you know what's strange? Sometimes my parents come home and get so busy with their phones that they barely notice me. I get it. And when we want their attention, we are often handed a mobile and told to watch something. It feels like screens are replacing real conversations. This is not just about parents ignoring kids. It's about how all of us, children and adults, are getting pulled in social media and apps. Sometimes in good ways and sometimes in harmful ways. Exactly. Social media isn't all bad. It helps us learn, connect and explore. But when it starts controlling our time, our habits and even our relationships, that's when things go wrong. So to everyone here, watch closely. This act reveals real impact of social media on children's lives. The positives, the negatives and the choices we all need to make. Presenting social media, influence, connection and consequences. Let's welcome the performers.
आ गए तुम लोग। मिलना चाहोगे मेरे साथियों से? तो देखो।
जी हाँ, मैं हूँ व्हाट्सएप। पूरी दुनिया मेरी गिरफ्त में है। बच्चा, बूढ़ा या जवान, सब दीवाने हैं मेरे।
गूगल नाम है मेरा। मैं वो भी जानता हूँ जो तुम्हारा भगवान भी नहीं जानता। फेक वर्ल्ड का बादशाह हूँ मैं, बादशाह।
इस ना चीज को टिकटॉक कहते हैं। नेता, अभिनेता, खिलाड़ी, बच्चा, कोई मेरे आगे टिक नहीं सकता।
मैं इंस्टाग्राम हूँ। मैंने सबको पागल करके रखा है, स्पेशली उन युवाओं को, उसको और इसको भी।
और मुझे तो आप लोग जानते ही होंगे, मैं हूँ फेसबुक। मुझसे ही तो ये सोशल मीडिया का दौर शुरू हुआ है। सुना है वो दिन दूर नहीं जब आपकी ये दुनिया हमारे इशारों पर नाचेगी। तो चलो देखो।
मम्मा मेरा कल एग्जाम है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। प्लीज मम्मा आप पढ़ा दोगे?
क्यों बेटा, तुम्हारे टीचर ने कुछ नहीं समझाया क्या?
मम्मा समझाया तो था पर मैं भूल गई।
बेटा मैं तो भी बहुत बिजी हूँ, तुम पापा के पास जाकर पूछ लो ना।
ओके मम्मा। पापा कल मैथ्स का एग्जाम है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, आप पढ़ा दोगे प्लीज?
बेटा आई एम ऑलरेडी गेटिंग लेट, मुझे ऑफिस का काम है, मैं आकर पढ़ाता हूँ।
ओके पापा। पापा अब तो आप मुझे पढ़ाओगे ना?
बेटा मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ और ऑफिस का काम भी है, तुम मम्मा के पास चली जाओ।
ओके पापा। मम्मा मुझे थोड़ा सा तो पढ़ा दीजिए प्लीज।
ओके ठीक है बेटा, आप अपने कमरे में जाओ, मैं वहीं आती हूँ।
ओके मम्मा मैं वेट करती हूँ। मम्मा को कितना देर हो गया, मम्मा तो अब तक नहीं आई। क्या करूं? मैं तब तक मेल पे सर्च ही कर लेती हूँ।
देखो एक और शिकार, इसे भी अपने जाल में फंसाते हैं।
गुफाओं में
आजा गुनाह कर ले, आजा गुनाह कर ले,
आजा गुफाओं में आजा गुफाओं में
आजा गुनाह कर ले, आजा गुनाह कर ले,
आजा गुफाओं में
नादान लड़की, तुम मेरी जाल में पूरी तरह से फंस चुकी हो कि तुम मेरा शिकार हो चुकी हो, मेरा नया शिकार।
रात दी गल सुनियो सुनियो वे, रात दी गल सुनियो सुनियो वे, कोई ना चार चुफेरे, पिछे ना मुड़ियो मुड़ियो वे, पिछे ना मुड़ियो मुड़ियो वे, राता दे काले काले चेहरे डर डाडा डसे वे, और मंजिल हंसे वे, आहट से डरियो डरियो वे, आहट से डरियो डरियो वे, खौफ के अंदर लगे डेरे, हौले से चलियो चलियो वे, हौले से चलियो चलियो वे, राता दे काले काले चेहरे डर डाडा डसे वे, और मंजिल हंसे वे, डर डाडा डसे वे।
क्या हुआ बेटा, क्या हुआ? तुम खड़े खड़े क्या देख रहे हो? डॉक्टर को जल्दी फोन करो।
डॉक्टर साहब जल्दी आइए, पता नहीं मेरी बेटी को क्या हो गया है।
एक और शिकार। तुम्हारे 5000 FB फ्रेंड होंगे, लेकिन तुम्हारे एक भी फ्रेंड तुम्हें बचा नहीं सकते।
देखिए, घबराने और चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं है। सोशल मीडिया का ज़्यादा उपयोग करने से आपके बच्चे की ये स्थिति हुई है। अभी उसे अपनेपन की ज़रूरत है। आप उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मोटिवेट कीजिए ताकि वो अपने रियल फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय बिता सके। इसी से उसकी रिकवरी जल्दी होगी।
ओके डॉक्टर, थैंक यू।
कैसा वक्त आ गया है, हम अपने रिश्तों से ज़्यादा वक्त सोशल मीडिया को दे रहे हैं। भूल जाते हैं वो खुशियाँ जो अपनों के साथ रहने में है। दूसरों की तकलीफों का मजाक बना देते हैं और अपनी तकलीफों का स्टेटस बना लेते हैं। हम इतना जरूरत से ज्यादा उपयोग करते हुए भूल रहे हैं कि सोशल मीडिया ही हमारा उपयोग कर रहा है।
रुको बेटा, मोबाइल की क्या जरूरत है, मैं तुम्हारी मदद करती हूँ तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट बनाने में।
हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदिया।
Hi, I am ChatGPT. I am a quick source of news, educational contents, and current updates.
जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी।
What's up, guys? I'm WhatsApp. I provide groups and communities for support, motivation, and sharing interest.
कश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा।
Hello guys, I am Instagram.
People experience different cultures, ideas, and lifestyles with me.
Hey, I am Facebook. I help people to stay connected with friends and family worldwide. I transfer funds by UPI, IMPS, fast and convenient. I am Federal Bank.
Hello guys, I am YouTube. Content creators can earn money through sponsorships, channels and ads and connect with the people worldwide.
Apply it up to the beat. Come on. Give it to me.
Hello everyone, I am Mintra, your personal stylist. Catch special sales and offers with me, which can help you save your money.
शोहरत भी नहीं ये जलवा, मकसद भी नहीं ये जलवा.
I am your mobile phone, having countless applications. I can entertain you, teach you, and guide you, but I can never replace the warmth of your family's love. Please use me wisely. Don't forget the people who love you the most.
नशा ही नशा. Throw it up, throw it up. आग सी रवानियां. I know it like yo.
It was an eye-opening performance by our Sacred Heartians. Someone has rightly said, wisdom is the rare light that grows brighter when shared, and its radiance shapes the destiny of those who listen. With this enriching reflection, now I humbly invite our honorable chief guest of the day, Mr. Ramesh Kumar, PCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner, Ludhiana, to bestow us with his enlightening address. I request the audience to give a round of applause for our worthy chief guest of the day, Mr. Rakesh Kumar.
Highly respected, esteemed parents and the beautiful flowers and the builders of the nation, pyare pyare bacche. Very, very good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank the management of the school for giving me an opportunity to witness this great event and the talent of the young children. There is Saurav, the talent of fragrance. Eventually, this was a showcase of talent of the children. This school is a prestigious institute in our district, which can be gauged from the fact that it has a great strength of 3,800 children studying in it. The parents have a only prized possession, that is their children. They are like a clay. Whichever we mold it, they will turn into that. So, parents and teachers have a role to play in the life of the children. Education does not mean only a formal education. It needs holistic development of the child from all the aspects, whether it is an intellectual development, whether it is a physical development, whether it is a psychological development, or it is a spiritual development. All these developments together make a complete man or woman. for the children. Their minds are so much occupied these days. We have seen the performance of the children indicating the importance of social media in our life. Social media has lot of content which may be useful, which may not be useful, rather it may be harmful. The information we are getting on the social media may not be the information which is realistic. So, to save the children from the fallacy of this data or the information, the parents are the most important and the great factor which can contribute. We have to spend time with the children. We have to guide them so that they are not inclined towards the social media so much that they have to rush for each and every problem to the social media. Whenever they face problem, they say that we will search the Google and will get the answer. But this is not the right way for the children and for the parents. So we must ensure that our children are not addicted to the social media. They should approach you, parents, teachers, for their problems so that they can be guided in a better way. So I, being an additional deputy commissioner here, congratulate all the children who have put on a great effort to make this event a success, and their talent has mesmerized me and all the audience here. So I thank all the children for performing on the stage and wish for their better future, wish them that they rise to the occasion and achieve great heights. Thank you so much for giving me a time. Thank you.
Respected sir, I request you to please stay back on the stage. I also request our worthy director, followed by our principal. I also request a worthy guest of honor, Reverend Father Thomas Kolancheri, to please step forward. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to unveil a treasure that encapsulates the soul of Sacred Heart Convent School, Sector 39. So as we stand on the brink of releasing our school communique, so here we have a staff secretary presenting our school communique. I request our eminent chief guest, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, to release our school communique and hand over the very first copy to our guest of honor, Reverend Father Thomas Kolancheri. Dear audience, as the custodians of our institution stand united on this stage, we present to you the school communique of Sacred Heart Convent School, Sector 39. I also request our staff secretaries to hand over one copy of each to our special invitees. Our school communique is a compilation where every paragraph resonates with purpose and every page blooms with the fragrance of youthful brilliance. So once again, a huge round of applause. In resonance with our vision of eco-centric progress, we now present a green welcome in the form of sapling to our worthy chief guest, followed by a memento as a token of gratitude that reflects our heartfelt appreciation for the esteemed presence of a chief guest of the day, Mr. Rakesh Kumar, PCS, Additional Deputy Commissioner. Dear audience, your round of applause will add more beauty to this event. Thank you so much to all the luminaries, and a huge thanks to you, dear sir, for your deeply inspiring and motivating address.
You know, childhood is the best time of life. Yes, it is full of fun, laughter, little mistakes too. Let's showcase the fun-filled childhood moments. Great audience, get ready to relive your childhood by watching this performance.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक। हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल, मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। चल मसल फुलाना, थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना, तेरी चिकने गालों के स्टबल की फसल उगाना। अरे रे रे ओबे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा गुरु, बगल उठा के थोड़ा डियो लगाना, किसी बगल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुंघाना। चल ऊपर के दो बटन ढीले करके बताना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना, बालों वाला सीना दिखाना। बरसों तक तू साइकिल पे घुमा है, हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख। स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिठा के देख। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा। यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक, यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक बेटा।
Honoring the courage, discipline, and dedication of our nation's brave soldiers. This performance showcases the life of the army, battlefield operations, and the spirit of the valor that protects our country. Every formation, step, and expression reflects teamwork, determination, and resilience.
This act is not only energetic but also inspiring. It demonstrates the sacrifice, training, and courage of those who serve the nation. Let's appreciate the performers as they bring alive the bravery and dedication of our nation's brave soldiers. Presenting Army Operations Dance.
ये सारे विश्व के जवान हैं, इनका ना कोई धर्म है ना कोई जाति। ये अपने अपने राष्ट्र के अमन और शांति के लिए आए हैं और ये अंतिम सांस तक उसी के लिए लड़ते रहेंगे।
Let's get it started.
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना, अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना।
अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना,
अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है छाना।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
निकले हैं मैदान में हम जहाँ हथेली पर लेकर, अब देखो दम लेंगे हम जाके अपनी मंजिल पर।
खतरों से हंस के खेलना इतनी तो हमें हिम्मत है,
मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी तो हमें ताकत है।
हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की एक दीवार है, हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार है तैयार है।
हर रास्ते ने हर वादी ने हर पर्वत में सरदार है।
हम जीतेंगे हम जीतेंगे हम जीतेंगे हर बाजी।
कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं,
दुश्मनों ने हमारे देश पे हमला बोल दिया है,
दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
जवानों, जंग छिड़ चुकी है, इस बार हमें दिखा देना है भारतीय महिलाएं भी जवानों के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर सरहद की रक्षा करने को तैयार हैं। हाउस जोश, हाउस जोश।
दुश्मन पे वार कर, हौसलों को चीर दे, टुकड़े हजार कर।
घमंड से चलो ना डरो ना घिरो, काटो सबको दिल से जीत के यूं चलो। घमंड की पुकार है डरो ना डरो, दर दर में रहोगे बढ़ चलो बढ़ चलो। घमंड ही तेरे शीश का शिकार है, चीन शीश सबके बढ़ चलो बढ़ चलो। घमंड से चलो ना डरो ना घिरो।
2019 के पुलवामा अटैक के बाद सबसे बड़ा आतंकी हमला हुआ है। पहलगाम की बैसरन वैली में हुए इस हमले में आतंकियों ने 26 बेकसूर लोगों को मार डाला, जबकि आतंकियों की इस कायराना करतूत में 13 लोग जख्मी हुए हैं।
जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में हुए आतंकी हमले को लेकर देश भर में खूब गुस्से का माहौल बना हुआ है। इस हमले में जान गंवाने वाले लोगों की संख्या बढ़कर 27 पहुंच गई है। उधर पाकिस्तान की तरफ से भी इस हमले को लेकर बयान आया है।
भारत पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर से बड़ी खबर। इन 4 राज्यों की सीमा पाकिस्तान से लगती है, जिसके बाद अटकलें लगाई जा रही हैं कि कहीं फिर से कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है। इस वक्त मैं आपको बता दूं, बड़ी खबर, राफेल ने बाद में घुसकर बदला लिया। पाकिस्तान में मौत बनकर राफेल घुसा।
मैं कर्नल सोफिया कुरैशी और मेरे साथ विंग कमांडर व्योमिका सिंह।
तेरे काम नहीं आए तो फिर बेकार जवानी है, बहाए खून तेरी खातिर जितना गंगा में पानी है।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Satya Kaur. I am Amber Kaur. You know, Punjabis are fond of dance and fun. Yes, we all love Bhangra and Dol. Let's enjoy the bombastic performance on the beat of Dol.
रख लो सजा के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा, गले लग जा, गले लग जा। ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं, मेरे पास आ, मेरे पास आ। तो मुलाकातों में, काली रातों में, बातों ही बातों में दिल दे दिया। तेरी बातों में उलझा जिया, बैठे ही बैठे मैंने दिल खो दिया। तेरी बातों में उलझा जिया।
expressive gestures. This performance is designed to bring joy and entertainment to everyone present.
Absolutely. The performers will light up the stage with music, movement, and joyous expression. Please cheer them warmly as they present Adhuri dance.
वार्ड नंबर 17, ये ले तेरा खाना। पहली बार कोई ऐसा पागल देखा है जो पूरा दिन खुद से ही बातें करता है।
नहीं, हम पागल नहीं हैं। हम भगवान के बनाए हुए वो इंसान हैं जिन्हें लोग पागल कहते हैं।
रातें भीगी भीगी यादें भीगी भीगी बातें भीगी भीगी आंखों में कैसी नमी है। आहा 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 सपनों का साया पलकों पे आया, पल में हंसाया पल में रुलाया, फिर भी ये कैसी गमी है। आहा आधी जगी आधी आधी सोई, आंखें ये तेरी तो लगता है रोई, लेकर के नाम हमारा। आहा 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 रूठा रूठा रब छूटा छूटा सब टूटा टूटा दिल, तेरे बिना अब कैसे हो जीना गवारा। आहा आहा
horses, there must be rejoicing and lighting energy. Here, I see a group of dancers with a sand fire. The other people gathering, please clap your hands for our energetic performance.
नजरें मिलते ही नजरों से नजरों को चुराए, कैसी ये हया तेरी जो तू पलकों को झुकाए। रब जो पोशीदा है उसको निहारे तू, और जो गर्विदा है उसको टाले तू। तेरी झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली नैना मदक बर्फी, तेरी झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली बातें करे दो हरफी। सारा जमाना है मेरे पीछे, पर ये दीवाना है तेरे पीछे। सर ये झुकने ना दूं दुनिया के आगे, पर तेरी पायल देखूं करके सर नीचे। ना तमन्ना हीरा पन्ना मुझको है बस तेरा बनना, एक झलक तेरी आंखों में ख्वाब सजा जाए। तेरी झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली नैना मदक बर्फी, तेरी झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली बातें करे दो हरफी। तेरी सहेलियां सादा मामूली, उसके मुकाबले थोड़ी तू भली। जैसे ही सोलवा चढ़ जाए सावन, तू क्या हर लड़की दिखे फूलों की कली। पास पे लिपटी लाल साड़ी वो भी दिखे राजकुमारी, झुमके बिंदी हर गजरे से रूप निखर जाए। फिर भी तेरी झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली नैना मदक बर्फी, तेरी झलक शर्फी श्रीवल्ली बातें करे दो हरफी। बैल जैसे धूल उड़ा के सींग उठा के तुम भी नाचो, बाजे जम के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो। हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो, अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे पाक टोर छोड़ नाचो। मिट्टी जो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो। हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे, नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो 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 बिच्छू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो।
Honorable Chief Guests are special invitees.
The esteemed school director, Reverend Father Sebastian.
Our respected principal, Reverend Sister Crispin Maria.
Reverend fathers, sisters, directors, and principals of other schools, beloved parents,
members of the faculty, and well-wishers, a very cordial and warm welcome to this grand evening of celebration.
It fills our heart with immense joy and gratitude to welcome you all to the annual function, a celebration meaningfully titled Saurabh, the fragrance of talent. On behalf of the school management, the entire staff and students, we invite you to join us in celebrating the year's highlights.
Though words may not fully encompass the school's journey, this evening's presentation encapsulates a year brimming with accomplishments.
As we commence this annual report, we humbly bow in thanksgiving to the Almighty for His unfailing grace and benevolence, which continues to illuminate every endeavor of Sacred Heart Convent School.
This institution, as a small sapling, was planted in 1992 in a rented house by the Diocese of Jalandhar by late Right Reverend Dr. Symphorian Kieprith, the first Bishop of Jalandhar, with the visionary leadership of the first director, Dr. Hormis Nirmal Raj.
Sacred Heart of Jesus Christ as its heavenly resource with the motto, all wisdom is from God. The school is permanently affiliated with the Council for the Indian School Certificate Examinations, New Delhi, and prepares students for the ICSE and ISC examinations.
Since 2004, 22 distinguished batches have passed out, carrying forward school's excellence. Our alumni have made their mark across diverse fields, from civil services and medicine to engineering, fine arts, and finance.
The institution joyously celebrated its Silver Jubilee in 2014, a glorious milestone that reflected decades of commitment to holistic education. Over the years, the school has proudly hosted regional ASISC and CISC competitions, academic seminars, and sports events, reinforcing its reputation as a center of academic distinction.
Management. At present, the school continues to flourish under the gracious patronage of Right Reverend Dr. Bishop Jose Sebastian, the Bishop of Jalandhar, and centrally directed by Reverend Father Thomas Colincherry as the chairman of the Diocesan Board of Education Jalandhar.
The local administration is under the dynamic leadership of our director, Reverend Father Sebastian, whose wisdom, guidance, and constant encouragement serve as a source of motivation for all.
We are equally privileged to be led by the dedicated stewardship of Principal Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, whose relentless pursuit of discipline, excellence, and value-based education forms the cornerstone of this institution.
The primary wing is efficiently supervised by Reverend Sister Prakashta, while the kindergarten section flourishes under the caring guidance of Reverend Sister Sebin Maria. Together, this devoted team, along with an exemplary faculty, continues to work with passion and perseverance for the all-round development of every child.
The Sacred Heart Fraternity remains ever indebted to our former director, Reverend Father Thomas Puchalil, who has been transferred as the director of St. Anthony's Convent School and parish priest of St. Anthony's Catholic Church, Adampur, whose brief yet extraordinary tenure will be remembered in the annals of this institution as a golden chapter marked by remarkable progress.
Sacred Heartians warmly welcomed Reverend Father Sebastian on 19th May 2025.
The principal, Sister Crispin Maria, formally introduced the new director to the Sacred Heart Convent School family, highlighting his strong academic background and his dedicated service in various capacities within the Diocese of Jalandhar.
A grateful adieu was offered to Reverend Sister Sharon, outgoing kindergarten in charge, while warmly welcomed Reverend Sister Seben Maria as the new section head.
The formal opening of the academic year 2025-26 was ceremoniously inaugurated with the prayer service seeking God's blessings and with a thought-provoking message by the then school director, Reverend Father Thomas Puchalil, on 14th March 2025.
Our principal, Reverend Sister Crispin Maria, unfolded the theme for the year, Intelligence plus Character, that is the goal of true education. Therefore, excel in intelligence and be esteemed in character.
This profound thought beautifully inspires students in two vital dimensions: academic excellence and character formation.
The Vidyarambham ceremony, a sacred initiation into the world of letters for the little ones of class nursery, was held on March 20, 2025, along with an orientation session featuring a special prayer service to seek divine blessings and warmly welcome the new entrants. Mrs. Sadhna Nair Ratan, member of the LMC, graced the occasion as the special invitee.
At present, the school has a strength of 3,805 students on its roll from classes nursery to 12th.
The academic session 2024-25 witnessed several remarkable developments and infrastructural advancements, added facilities to the institution. The school underwent a significant facelift featuring the renovation of the KG and primary offices, parents' lounge, KG activity room, school's main hall, physics and computer labs, skating court and cricket academy.
Addition of washrooms, new passage for easy entry and exit, a real-time monitoring room with many security cameras, and music, dance and yoga rooms with additional equipment. Refurbishment of the infirmary with improved furnishings. A proud milestone of the year was the introduction of the robotics lab for classes 1st to 10th and the installation of air conditioners in the kindergarten wing. These thoughtful enhancements collectively elevate the educational experience, creating a modern, safe, and inspiring campus.
It gives us immense pride to share the stellar academic achievements of our students in the ICSE Class 10th and ISC Class 12th examinations for the year 2024-25. Once again, Heartians upheld its glorious legacy of achieving 100% pass result in both ICSE and ISC examination. A total of 221 students appeared for the ICSE examination 2025 and more than 64 students secured above 90% marks.
The first position was achieved by Jagriti Rana with an impressive 97.4% marks, followed by Chavi Gupta and Anika Dyal shared second position scoring 97.2% marks and third position by Sia Sharma with 96.8%. In the ISC examination, a batch of 127 students appeared and the school proudly achieved a 100% pass result, with many students scoring above 90% and showing remarkable performance across all streams.
Leading the merit list is Anshika Bajaj from the medical stream, securing an outstanding 96.26%. Close on her heels is Astha Davar from the commerce stream with an impressive 96%. Aviraj Singh Kaleka from the humanities stream stands third with 95.25%, while Pushkar Gupta from the non-medical stream follows with the commendable 94.5%.
To ascend to great heights, students strive with steadfast efforts, eventually reaching the pinnacle like masters shaped by discipline and commitment.
History repeated itself as Hardians once again recorded an impressive streak of sporting achievements. Our young Hardians shone brightly in various CISCE, ASISC and PSEB inter-school tournaments, bringing laurels to the institution.
We are delighted to share that Ridan Sood of class 9th Violet represented the northern region in the CISCE National Hockey Tournament Under 17 Boys category held at Ranchi, Jharkhand. And Ridan, along with his team, brought glory by winning the gold medal.
Our cricket star Yuvraj Sharma of class 8th has brought laurels to the school by winning the silver medal in the CISCE National Cricket Tournament under 14 boys and has also been selected for SGFI.
He also participated in PSCB state level cricket tournament held at Faridkot and won bronze medal and selected for SGFI cricket tournament.
Karanjot Singh of plus 1, Ekamjot Singh 10th standard, Kamalpreet Singh 10th standard, Arush Chaudhary 8th standard participated in the national level basketball tournament held at Meerut, UP.
Vasu Garg, under 19 boys category, won gold medal in regional level skating contest and participated in national level held at Mumbai.
Shaurya Pratap of 7th standard and Karthik Sharma of 9th standard participated in national yoga competition held at Kolkata.
Karanjot Singh of plus 1, Kunal Panga of 10th, Aditya Sopti of plus 1 and Yashika Sharma, after proving their mettle at district level, represented the school at state level, PSCB, basketball, chess, volleyball and wrestling tournament respectively.
Our young yoga enthusiasts have showcased exceptional skill and discipline, earning recognition at district, state and national levels through their remarkable performances.
Not only in sports and games, Sacred Heartians excelled in literary competitions as well. At the ASISC Father George Hess Memorial Drawing and Painting Competition held at Cantle School, Patiala on 20th September 2025, Janvi Gupta won first position in the senior category and represented the school at the national level in Ahmedabad. Shine Goyal and Jagriti Rana won first prize in the FAM All India Debate Competition Stage 1 at YPS Mohali and represented the school at the regional level held at Summer Valley School, Dehradun.
Sacred Heartians made use of every opportunity to showcase their talents in various competitions conducted by reputed organizations. Angel Joseph won a cash prize rupees 5,000 in the solo singing competition at PCTE Bathuwal.
Gursimran Clark cleared JEE at 2025 with an impressive All India rank of 16 to 94.
Anika Dayal, Jagrati Rana and Arshia won first prize in debate and drawing and painting at Chandigarh University.
Janvi Gupta, Samaksh Malhotra and Amandeep were honored for creativity in the Charcoal Design Garwe 2025 contest.
Jaslin Kaur, Dakshpreet Singh, Mara Kaushal, Veerjot Singh, Kanwar Singh, Kavya,
Avreet Kaur Bhavneet Singh excelled in the SIP Abacus program.
Nishit Saxena received recognition for model making and drawing on World Environment Day at the Tata Steel Administration Office.
Keshvi received the Star Performer Trophy in Poetry Recitation at Ishmeet Academy.
Vaishnavi Valia Ruchika Garg received the Best Performer Award from SIP Academy.
Khushpreet Kaur received commendation under the Inspire Award Manat program by the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India.
Revyansh Bhatta achieved All India rank 57 in a national scholarship test among 12 lakh participants.
Arshbir Singh bagged first prize in Bhangra at Kalakar India's biggest competition and won the winner trophy in Kisme Kitna Dam.
Over 3,000 students took part in various Olympiads with more than 300 achieving commendable results.
Our art students won first prize in All Box Art competition and Jamghad 2025 among 15 schools and 300 participants.
Riddhi Kaur and Anika Dayal secured third prize in the inter-school quiz competition at PCTE Baddoval.
Our students participated in the National Brain Buzz Secular School Quiz organized by the CCBI Youth Commission, ICYM India.
Our school continued to provide meaningful opportunities through an active club system that nurtures students' talents and broadens their learning experiences. Students from various classes participated enthusiastically in club activities to enhance their skills.
On April 9, 2025, the Arts Club was formally inaugurated during the investor ceremony. On the same day, the Student Council for 2025-26 was sworn in. Aryan from +1 Non-Medical and Mridu from +1 Commerce were appointed as head boy and head girl respectively. House captains and sports captains pledged to perform their duties with commitment and pride.
Here, we present a brief overview of the significant initiatives and achievements of our school clubs during the session.
The Art Club plays a vital role in nurturing creativity and artistic expressions among students. Throughout the year, it conducts a wide range of competitions and activities, both class-wise and house-wise, during the designated activity periods on Saturdays. The art exhibition was also organized to showcase creativity.
Throughout the year, the sports club trains students for CISCE, National Sports and Games, as well as Punjab School Education Board tournaments, ensuring their active participation at various competitive levels. Each year, the annual sports meet is organized to showcase students' athletic skills and sportsmanship. We also commemorated the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand on National Sports Day. A karate workshop was also organized, led by Shihan Andrew Riley, country head of Oceania Koshiki Karate Do Federation, Australia, along with his Indian co-trainer.
Affiliated with WIPNET, Vigyan Prasar, the Maths Club showcased mathematical explorations through display boards and organized an inter-house activity on the practical applications of mathematics. Health and Wellness Club organized impactful awareness programs, including a special assembly on World Health Day, themed Healthy Beginnings, Hopeful Futures, along with sessions on drug abuse prevention, sugar awareness, and the ill effects of excessive sugar consumption, promoting healthier lifestyle choices among the students. Activities were also conducted under Joining Hands with the Government campaign.
The Eco Club promoted environmental awareness through various activities. World Earth Day was observed on the theme Our Earth, Our Planet. On World Environment Day, students took part in the activities based on Beat Plastic Pollution. World Nature Conservation Day 2025 was celebrated under the theme Connecting Plants and People. One Mahotsav was celebrated with a tree plantation drive under Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam.
Social Science Club. The club organized assemblies on Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day, Constitution Day, Kargil Vijay Divas, Gandhi Shastri Jayanti and more. Special displays and quizzes were conducted on Quit India Movement Day, Martyrdom Day, and National Girl Child Day. Handloom Day, Voters Day, and World Peace Day were also observed.
English Club. The club marked the birthdays of William Shakespeare and Rabindranath Tagore through inspiring literary presentations. Geography Club. Special assemblies were held on Ozone Day, International Moon Day, with the theme One Vision, One Future, and Akshay Urja Divas promoting sustainable living. Science Club. The club commemorated Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth and death anniversaries with seminars. Sessions were also organized on ISRO Day, World No Tobacco Day, and DNA Day.
Commerce Club, a seminar on global economic groupings was conducted. The club also celebrated Sir Ratan Tata's birthday, honoring his contribution to industry and philanthropy. A financial literacy workshop was conducted by Mr. Akhand Tiwari and Dr. K.B. Thomas from Christ University, Pune for the students of class 12th Commerce stream.
Punjabi Club celebrated Tej with traditional music and dance. Hindi Club observed Hindi Divas with literary and cultural performances.
IT Club organized an IT newsletter design competition to promote digital creativity and innovation. A robotics project exhibition was displayed during the PTM showcasing students' innovation and creativity. A 5-day summer camp on robotics, coding, and artificial intelligence was organized by Create Mind Studio in 3 batches. The camp ignited students' passion for innovation, creativity, and technology as they explored the exciting world of robotics with great fervor.
Throughout the year, the kindergarten wing engaged young learners in festival-based activities that fostered early learning, creativity, and values. Observances like Earth Day, Labor Day, Independence Day, Tej, Janmashtami, and Diwali helped them appreciate environmental care, gratitude, patriotism, cultural heritage, and moral values. Seasonal celebrations such as Rainy Day brought joy and natural awareness, while creative tasks like Rakhi making and craft activities enhanced fine motor skills and coordination. Through dance, songs, coloring, dramatization, and thematic dress ups, students gain confidence in expression and participation. Our tiny tots stepped into the colorful world of fruits through the delightful fruit market activity. A special rainy day activity helped little ones experience the joy of the monsoon. The children lovingly made Mother's Day greeting cards expressing affection and gratitude.
The school continued tradition of organizing and enriching educational trips, both national and international. The senior students explored the historic cities of Udaipur and Mount Abu from 11th to 16th November, while the junior and middle wings enjoyed exciting trips to Banjoy, Hardy's World, Amrit Udyan, New Delhi, and Fun World, Patiala, while tiny tots of KJ wings enjoyed in-house picnic. Charitable and community work. Hartians displayed remarkable kindness and generosity during the clothing drive organized by the Charity Club as part of the Christmas celebration 2024. The school community responded wholeheartedly to the appeal for flood relief in Punjab, contributing relief kits, food, medicines, clothing, and financial aid for affected families. A team of teachers met the Honorable Deputy Commissioner of Ludhiana to express gratitude for his dedicated service during the floods and presented a special artwork from the school's art department. As part of SUPW outreach initiative, students extended support to Nishkam Seva Ashram, Satluj Kusht Ashram, and Sri Vivekananda Swarg Ashram through donations of ration, clothing, and medical aid. The spirit of compassion and and service truly reflects the values nurtured in every Sacred Heartian.
Orientation session for the students.
Mr. Sumit Sood, ACP Ludhiana East, addressed students on 26th April 2025 on drug abuse prevention.
Doctors from DMC Ludhiana, Dr. Vikram, Dr. Palak and Dr. Anurag conducted an awareness session Ikki Yudh Nashe Viruddh.
Hartians attended a seminar on sugar reduction by Dr. Ruma Singh, Chief Dietitian from CMC, and also established sugar boards in schools as per CISCE directions.
An enlightening awareness session on mental ability and future careers was conducted by Sri Chaitanya Institute for the students of classes 10th and 12th.
A career pathway and counseling session was organized for the students of classes 9th to 12th by Vidya Champ expert counselors.
Professional development programs for the faculty. During the year, the school also organized several seminars and workshops to enhance teacher skill and promote continuous professional growth. The school proudly hosted CISCE Zonal Professional Development Program, a 2-day workshop on the theme Technology and Digital Tools for Teaching and Learning on July 16 and 17, 2025. The sessions were skillfully facilitated by Dr. Gaurav Kapoor, a seasoned expert in educational technology who enlightened about various AI tools, digital platforms and innovative teaching techniques.
Reverend Father Dr. Matthew Pallachuvetil, gold medalist in economics from the University of Nagpur and a rank holder in English literature from Guru Nanak University, Amritsar, conducted an orientation on the role of a teacher on September 24, 2025.
The school director, Reverend Father Sebastian, led an induction program for the teaching faculty.
Miss Tonita and Miss Rashim attended a session at Dayanand Medical College and Hospital on World Mental Health Day.
A workshop on substance abuse and an AI skill-based training sessions were organized for the staff.
The school celebrated all national festivals and important international days with great zeal, fostering patriotism, unity and culture pride. India's 79th Independence Day was celebrated with patriotic fervor through separate programs for the KG, primary and senior sections presided over by the Honorable Director, Reverend Father Sebastian.
Students presented vibrant cultural performances on the theme Honoring Freedom, Inspiring the Future, showcasing India's rich heritage.
The farewell ceremony for Class 12th, themed Wanderlust, The Journey Awaits, was held with warmth and pride. Christmas was celebrated with great joy and festive spirit, filling the campus with melodious carols and the message of love and peace.
The annual function, The Revival, was celebrated on 30th November 2024, graced by Honorable MP Sardar Charanjit Singh Chani, Honorable MLA Sardar Daljit Singh Garewal, Reverend Father Dr. Joe Sebastian and Mr. Nixon Abraham.
On International Youth Day, students presented a performance on local youth actions for the SDGs and beyond.
The annual prize distribution ceremony on 19th September 2025 was graced by Mr. Sukhwinder Singh Bindra, Member NISD, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment.
The school organized an Achievers Felicitation Ceremony for the meritorious students of ICSE Class 10th and ISC Class 12, 2023-24. Mr. Sunil Kumar, Deputy Vice President and Regional Head of the Federal Bank Limited, Ludhiana Region, presided over the function as the chief guest, and Mr. Ravneet Singh Lamba, Senior Manager and Branch Head, Urban Estate, Sector 32, graced the occasion as a guest of honor.
After years of dedicated service,
Miss Poonam Seth, a senior teacher, was honored on her retirement for her valuable contribution to the institution. The school also expressed heartfelt gratitude to Mrs. Rosalie from the ancillary staff for her exemplary service and commitment. During the Bagless Days initiative, students visited Kangaroo Industries, SS Foods, By Bond Bread, and the Pyramid Meditation Center, gaining practical exposure and insight into real-world processes. They also explored Vardhaman Mills and CMC Hospital, enhancing their subject-related understanding through practical learning.
Before we conclude, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has contributed to the growth and success of Sacred Heart Convent School. Over the past 33 years, the school has built a strong foundation, continually evolving in its mission of education and achieving remarkable milestones. We bow our heads in gratitude to Almighty God for His constant guidance and blessings throughout this journey. Our sincere thanks go to all who have worked with dedication and commitment to elevate this institution to its present stature. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for gracing this evening with your presence. Your participation adds immense significance to this celebration. Kindly stay tuned for the inspiring performances our Heartians have prepared with great enthusiasm.
Thank you.